Why do some people just say not to run ads? Because they don't like to make money quickly. There's methods to do everything, right? Like at the end of the day, I've tested it so many fucking times over and over again. And if you're a beginner and you're not like the best person ever at finding products, it's way better to run ads because you're going to get more momentum, which enables you to test products quicker. Because with organic, you're going to get views. With organic, you're going to get 10 views a day. With paid ads, which you're not spending a lot on, by the way, you're spending very, very minimal amount on, you're going to get 100, okay? You're going to get like 10x. If you get 10x, everything goes 10x as fast purely because more eyes, more people are seeing your product, so you then know which is working, which isn't working, and then you can go from there, right? Like that's really what I would recommend because yeah, like organic's great. Like my first store ever on Etsy was a purely organic store. I didn't run any ads on it. And once you get past the initial stages, I run fucking 0 ads. Basically, 95% organic. So that's something I'd really focus on. But like if you're a beginner, it's just not realistic for a beginner to do that because it's so based upon product. Quick interruption to this video, I'm doing a Rolex giveaway. So when my main channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. So click the top link in the description, go to my main channel, craigtyr, click subscribe. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, which will be in just 2 months, I will give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. It could be you, so go subscribe.